Hey everyone, SEMO-MAC here. So, got something that I need to review with you. And, yes, it's another knife. Hey, what can I say? I'm a sucker for a good knife. So, I'm like, yeah, let's do this. So, company that has sent this to me, and I looked up the name, and it's like it's pronounced two different ways, even though it's not spelt that way. But you can call it the Klaken or the Kraken. So, I looked it up, and some say Kraken, some say Klaken. So, that's what we're going with. One of those two, but they sent this out to me, so this is sponsored by them. I did not pay for this. And they asked for me to do a review, so that's what we're going to do. So what all do we got in this box? Got anything else? Yep, I sure do. There we go. Throw that back in there. And that is spelled Klaken, Klaken. So, I'll throw that up here somewhere so y'all can see it. But you end up getting you a nice little microfiber, and they do have their little logo on there. Flip it over so it's actually right, and it is the Kraken on there. So you do get some literature with this. Pretty much tells you about the pocket knife, you know, a little bit about their company. Pretty much, you know, how to sharpen it, how to store it, and how to use it, and any troubleshooting. And they also have a limited warranty on this, a manufacturer's warranty for any manufacturer's defects. So all of that is on the literature that you get in there. So we've covered that. Now, this thing comes in an actual sheath. It's pretty much a nylon sheath. Put your belt through there. But it's actually pretty durable. And I kind of like the logo on the front of it too. So we'll get this stripped off here. And that's actually a really cool looking. I like the color of that. Put the sheath over here. So, and no, I don't know if it glows in the dark or not. Just to be honest with you, I don't know. But I honestly really like the handles right off the bat. This is called their natural white. When I saw this online, I was like, wow. They have several different ones, but you know, they've got the black handles and all of that, but this one right here is the one that jumped out at me, and I really like it. These are G10 handles. They are nice. They are very comfortable. They do have a nice, you know, they're not real slick or anything. So you do have some good grip there. Just like most G10 handles. I don't know if I can really get it to show on here or not, but it does have like a kind of like a little wood grain. A lot of them are doing that with the G10 handles. Like I said, I can't get the light to really show. You can see it a little bit there. But I do also like your little orange that really throws this natural white. It really makes it pop with that little orange inlaid there for where your pivot is. You do have ambidextrous for your belt clip, and that belt clip on this does have very good, look at this, I can't even get my thumb underneath it, but it has very good retention. So you know how I am about retention. I got to have retention on my belt clips. If they bend after 45 minutes of wearing it, it's no good. So this is your standard flip. You got your deployer right here. And I will tell you that this thing it has very smooth action on it. Just flip it right out. Very good. So your blade, as you see right here, as you got the Klaken with the Kraken logo on there, I'm sorry, I'm a nerd. It makes me laugh. But is your typical drop point. This is made of D2 steel, and you can see that right there. It definitely has an edge on it, I can tell you that. Your jipling right here, it's not real aggressive, but it is comfortable. Actually, the whole knife is comfortable. It's got a good grip. Don't feel any hot spots, even with the clip on there. Sometimes the clip causes some hot spots on my hands as big as they are. But it actually feels very nice, feels very balanced. You have it's pretty much interlock, standard interlock is what it has. So you can take that, pull it down, flip it back out. It does, this one-hand deployment is really nice on this. That little flip on there, it is smooth. It's very nice. It's not real hard. And, you know, I mean, it flows. Not a lot of pressure, flows right out. So this has also, they state that it has a military grade lock, and that is for your interlock right here. And like I said, you know, if you're familiar with those, just press it aside. As you see, it just falls right down. And since it has the military grade lock, that means that it is corrosive resistant, and it is specifically designed for EDC. So pretty much your hiking, fishing, and any DIY task. I cannot talk today, y'all. I apologize. It's been a kind of a long day, but this is pretty much your basic EDC is what this is. And when I say it's balanced, I will show you here if I can get this. I mean, that's balanced, okay? My hand's shaking and this thing ain't moving. It is right there where the balance needs to be. So it is a great knife from what I'm seeing so far. Everything's looking good. Even on the blade itself, I mean, the edge looks really good. Finger guard right goes through there. It feels really, really awesome. So, you know what we do on this channel. We got a knife, it's a tool, so we're gonna cut. So let's see what we got. Get my paper test. Let's see how sharp it is. Not bad. There we go. Look at that. I can go with that. Yeah, a little on that. See what it is up here around the tip. The tip of it's sharp as crap. All right, so we good on the paper test. I will throw that back under here for a rainy day, if I can get it underneath there. And what do we normally do next? Oh, what do I have? I got a little bit of some rope. Yes, I do. So, what do you think, y'all? We think we're gonna slice through this like it's nothing? We're gonna find out. Always cut away from yourself. And it went right through. We're good there. Let's see what we do on this little chopper here. Cut it, and it's cut. And it's cut. So, we got a cutter. We're good on that. And let's see here. I got a stick. Yeah, I know I usually use a 2x4. But you know what? The wife was out cleaning up the yard, so I figured, hey, I'll grab a couple sticks and try to help her out a little bit. Try to be that good husband. So let's just see how this does. Can we? There goes some wood. There goes more wood. There goes a lot of wood. There goes more wood. And it's flying everywhere. I've got wood flying everywhere. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a cutter. So, it shaves wood. As if we can get it to kind of, oh yeah, look at that. It's just peeling it right off over there. So, Yeah, you can't tell me that it doesn't cut, because it cuts. Now, yeah, we're going to hit the 2x4. We always hit the 2x4. So, here we go. Yep, I'm shaving wood. I'm making wood fly everywhere. And it keeps going. It keeps going. So, yes, you definitely can make kindling with this knife. Now, since I've done all that, looks okay. Let's try it one more time. And yes, it cuts. So, all of that little bitty hitting the 2x4, use a 2x4 kind of take it, kind of dull it a little bit, just because of how pressed wood it is. So, and that is treated, so it makes it even worse. But yeah, it feels good. Matter of fact, I'm even seeing some dead skin come over. I don't like it. So, Klaken with the Kraken. What do we think? Well, yeah, SEMO-MAC likes it. I say it's going to be one of your good EDC everyday carry. And like I said, I don't discuss prices, but I'm going to tell you right now, yeah, you're going to want it, because after you look this up, and if you do look it up, and I'll tell you what, I'll help you out on that. I'll throw a little description. I'll throw a little link down in the description that'll take you right to this knife, and you can look at all of them that they have, but it'll take you straight to this one. And yeah, you're not going to be disappointed at all with the price on of these, especially for what you get. G10 handles, D2 steel. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna say you're gonna go, SEMO-MAC, thank you very much for reviewing this knife and bringing it to us, because yeah, this one's a winner, y'all. I'm gonna, yeah, just like I do with a lot of them that I like, I'm gonna have to stamp this one as SEMO-MAC approved. There we go. So with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC bringing you another product review, and another good product, I might add. And as always, be kind and have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.